A tattoo concealer that won't rub off and is totally waterproof? Yes, finally! Developed in Hollywood special effects, behind-the-scenes concealer from Dermaflage covers up tattoos better than any other makeup because it doesn't come off until you take it off. It's easy to apply. For very dark tattoos, start with the bright red that comes in the tattoo set to cancel out the darkness. Next, just use a brush or makeup sponge to layer on the skin. Apply your skin tone in layers, allowing 30 seconds or so for each to dry. You can mix two colors together to get a perfect match for your skin tone if you need to. Then, take it off with makeup remover. This full coverage concealer covers even the darkest tattoo and dries matte with no stickiness. No setting powder or spray needed. Don't worry about it coming off on clothes. It stays put. Shop Dermaflage.com today to cover up tattoos with confidence. At work, the beach, or formal events, knowing that your concealer will stay in place all day.